Hi guys, so this is Fad Usman back with a new video. If you are new here, so then you may go straight away and click off the subscribe button in below, so you can be notified each and every video I upload in this channel. So after long days and tight work schedules, I am being here with another new video, which all these days I was trying to figure out what kind of video editing software will be compatible, flexible, and easy for me to just be consistent on creating content for the best things for you guys. So then all these days I was out there figuring out what would be the best tool for this. Yeah, kind enough. No, there is so many like Premiere Pro, let it be Filmora, let it be each and every kind of software out there. All these days, in the initial days when I started YouTube, was using InShot video editor from my phone, which I was using a Samsung Galaxy M10 phone. In that I used to shoot all my videos, but even though still my storage kept 16 GB, when my storage kept staying full when I'm taking clip by clip and I have to export everything. Inside I have InShot inside the phone, so then I take it to that again, I trim the videos and I delete all junk videos. So then that is how consistency was. There should be consistency, right? So then tech videos all in the beginning, so then I did not have a proper tripod or anything to do, just like now. But now everything has changed with my consistency and everything. So that is how literally kind of everything changed, trying each and every aspects of each and every features of the software, like. But I didn't go for the professional software things until I learn a few skills, like learn good things, creativity for video editing. My main target out here is not the software, guys. I want to edit a good video, like whatever the tool it is, whatever the tool, I should have creativity in that. Like what are the effects I use, what kind of fonts, how attractive it should be. Like even you might wonder, like even if you go and press on a video, when you see me keep speaking just without any edits, effects, transitions, stickers, or just some people just there are people who just speak on the video, but what they are delivering out there is valuable. So I see that there are most of people, like even most of the time, people who don't edit the video properly professionally, even when they just speak on the camera, people listen to it. So then what I was trying to focus is on, okay, let's focus on some creativity on video editing, like how can be attractive, how can reach out to you, how it can take some good mind attractiveness inside everyone's hearts. So that was my main target. So then let it be Filmora. I think past 2-3 videos I uploaded from Filmora, and I saw this one terrible thing, because each and every software I took, it just exported with the watermark, which I did not like. So in order for me to go to the proper version, I should pay for it or just get a crack. But pointless. When I looked at it, when I install the crack version, virus gets clinging in my computer all the time, and it gets stuck and slow and everything kind of that. So then I decided, all right, let's not give up on making videos, but let's change software. Okay, let's try something else. So DaVinci Resolve, when I took it, I couldn't, because DaVinci Resolve needs more space, because even the same thing, DaVinci Resolve, I know, comes without watermark, but still I didn't have space for it to install that. Same is with Premiere Pro. The problem, I can't install it. Half my storage in my laptop is currently full. I'm really exhausted what to do, and I have to reduce everything, deleting all the junk inside it. So then after now editing with InShot in my mobile phone, like I figured out when I'm editing each and every video in short from the phone daily. The phone gets heated up, so that is not good. So then I thought of, all right, let's shift to the laptop. It's time to edit in the laptop because of most of the people edit in computers, because when you keep editing on the phone, screen times get bigger, and you don't feel like, okay, you are a professional kind of video editor, some kind of thing. So then there you get bored. So that is where I decided, okay, let's shift to the laptop for video editing. And then, okay, let's record all the videos in the phone and export it. It's difficult, but I know hard work is definitely paid off. So then have to be attractive, right? And for you all to look at it, it should be interesting. It should be humor and everything, interesting things all over. So there has to be put some hard work on it. So then exporting the same which I'm recording right now, the same thing is going to be done. Recording this, again exporting this, changing it to the computer, and again taking it, and finally after changing software to software and again uninstalling everything, finally from research I found out that CapCut desktop was really flexible and easy. So then there I just installed CapCut, and it's working really well. I found that CapCut does not come with the watermark, it removes it freely. So up now I'm using it, and recently videos all I uploaded was from CapCut. It's really easy, no watermark, nothing, and I am really amazed with that. So until for some days, until I have a really good skills and talent on video editing thing, and when I'm good at it, I feel like, okay, I'm really good at this, so let's try professional software. So until that, I will be editing in CapCut video editor desktop. So that is what I want to tell you guys, because been figuring out all this time, like I wanted a good video editor for all my works and stuff. Sorry, actually sweating right now. Yeah, so then there, that was how I was researching each and every day, and it was exhausting a little bit, but all I want was video editing, right? There should be some software out there. Like I tried to install the InShot app inside the computer, but it did not install. Something was showing an error. So then there I found CapCut is the best thing, and then I got it. Now each and every video upcoming for you guys. I think recently uploaded about the Redmi earbuds. I think most of you all watched it. So then if you all watched, just comment below or hit a like on the video, whatever it is, it's all up to you. Getting any value from my content, just comment below. Even I have uploaded statuses and stories and everything, or I should improve my thumbnails or something like that, just comment below. I'll be ready with anything for you all. So then don't worry, videos might be get late, but I will upload for sure once a week. Like if my schedules are tight, I have lots of work with my web development job and everything, but still I'm sure I'll give you all, because consistency is key for everything, right? Even for a web developer, you have to practice, and you have to be consistent on the same thing daily. Likewise in everything, even a graphic design or everything, you have to have practice in whatever it is. Practice makes man perfect, right? So then there, consistency is key for anything for you to achieve. So then there, I hope you all are having a good time with everything. So then if you all watch this until the end, so then don't forget to share this or like on the video, or just comment whatever you all have in your head or mind. Just say whether I'm improving or my content is very good, or just you're all welcome. And tech developers, IT developers, web developers, or tech enthusiasts are welcome here. So then meet you all on the next episode. So for now I'm signing off. Thank you and bye.